Hi, this video is to show you how to apply my temporary tattoos. Now first, you need to make sure that your skin is clean and dry, and preferably there's no hair. Alright, so what you need to do is, next is take, and this happens to be a tester tattoo, just take the temporary tattoo and peel off the plastic sheet, as you can see, and then apply the tattoo to your skin, like so. Then dab the back of the tattoo with a wet towel. And you want to do that until you can see the image through the paper. And it should actually begin to slide away as it has done right here. Well, it starts to slide away. And there you are. And just allow it to dry. And once it's dry, you're ready to go. And that is how you apply the temporary tattoo.